This morning, when the day was awakening and the dark blue sky became lighter and lighter, I looked at the moon and I watched all the changing environment in nature. And suddenly there was a feeling, a deep hidden feeling arised within me that I had when I was a little child. And this feeling is a very positive one, a feeling of a connectedness, also with a combination of bliss and a feeling of being home. It was a long time ago when I had this feeling. I was 7 years old. And this feeling came back to me while watching the day awakening in nature. And for me, it is an enrichment that this feeling came back to me. Maybe I haven't experienced it now for 30 years. But as soon as it came, I walked into the woods. I wanted to experience it even deeper. And this is exactly what nature shows us. Nature shows us our own nature. When we go out in nature, we experience ourselves. When we have a walk in nature, we also have a walk within our own self. And it is so important to explore ourselves, to see what is me, what is the real me. I invite you, go out into nature on a regular basis and there slow down. Just walk and relax and be there and nothing more. And you will be amazed about what you will learn about yourself. Best wishes from the woods.